You are making payments on time. You're paying this loan. So that's what you have to do. You have to make yourself bankable.
We up go, I'm cupping invest, locked in with the real, ain't fuck with no base. Money come easy, thumbing through checks, got 100 on me.
Hey guys, back again. This 44 Shark with Shark Funding, and I'm gonna go ahead and break down the reasons why you guys need to go ahead and purchase a business trade line, right? Not even for me, but a credible source, lender, and vendor, right? So the first thing why you want to go ahead and buy a business trade line is gonna establish your business credit, right? Because you can get these net 30s, and you definitely want your Paydex to be 80, but as most lenders want your business experience, that's the file they're gonna pull from, and your PayNet, right, which is through Equifax. And see, with PayNet, you won't even see those on the credit bureaus, on the business credit bureaus. You're gonna have to request that, right? So I'll go ahead and drop that also, that link below, so you guys can request your PayNet and just see what's on it, because you never know what trade lines are reporting, because net 30s do not report to PayNet, which is an Equifax company. Then on top of that, you know, there's only certain companies that pull from certain bureaus, just like on the personal side. The majority of them pull your PayNet and pull your business experience to go ahead and get you guys funded in today. So what I want to really talk about is how it affects you, right? Because everyone doesn't have the best personal credit. So with not having the best personal credit, you're going to need some trade lines or primary accounts. So with these primary accounts or these trade lines I sell, right, you can go ahead and stack that profile of yours so you can have a thicker profile, and you're going to have a $25,000 trade line. And when I mean trade lines, there's different parts. There's credit cards, line of credit, working capital, real estate, auto. My company, we sell all those different variations. It's just like on a personal side, you want a diverse portfolio. You want a diverse business credit portfolio, right? So you got to understand certain things, because just like an auto loan, that's straight debt, right? It's going to affect your DTI. It's the same way on a business, and a line of credit is going to show that you have credit available, and it's also going to bring your DTI down. It's the same way as personal is for business. So that's why you got to understand what type of business trade line you are purchasing, and how is it going to affect your business profile, so it'll make you fundable to these lenders. Because now it's 2023 and things have changed. The economy has tightened. So these no PG restrictions are really, really hard to get. They really want to see typically 10 accounts reporting to business experience. And I can just tell you, because I do this, I run these plays like layups day in and day out for my mentees. Also have a mentorship. If you guys are interested, you can go ahead and contact me in the link below and get with me. If you see this video and you put the code 44Shark with 2 Ks, I'll go ahead and get you for $1,500. Mentorship's usually $5,000. Okay, so with this going on, and you see your profile, go ahead and stack and report with these lines of credit. That's really what you want. You want the lines of credit, credit card, working capital, and auto. You want all these types of loans, so you're diverse. You don't want too many lines of credit with working capital, because it's like, okay, now you only have one form of trade line. And you got to understand, it's like payment history. So if you think about it, if I get a trade line and it's already paid off in a month, you have no credit history, right? You're not going to have any credit history. You want to get it paid off over time to show a bank, just like on a personal side, that you are bankable. You are making payments on time. You're paying this loan. So that's what you have to do. You have to make yourself bankable, because even on the personal side, if you bought a trade line, like an auto trade line, working trade line, and it only shows 1 month and it's already paid off, that does you no good, because it didn't have any history. So you need history. Because the bank's like, okay, they might be like, hey, we want to see a year of commercial financing. Basically what that means is they want to see a history of you making payments on a loan for a year. See, and that's some of the things that we provide with our backdated trade lines. for our, our business trade line. So it just depends on what type of funding you're looking for, how your business is, and how soon you want to get funded. So I just really want to break it down, the importance of a business trade line and the aspect of how you should go about it when you're looking to purchase these trade lines, right? So if you buy a shelf corp and you're already ready for funding, you know what trade lines the banks are looking for, right? Even specific bureaus, because Equifax, there's like, I would say KeyBank and Truist are the main ones that pull business Equifax. So there's a certain time that they use Equifax, but a lot of those banks require a personal guarantor. So this is mainly about someone with bad credit. And also in my mentorship, I also fix the client's personal credit so he can get ready for those PGs. But a lot of people want to no PG, everything. Everyone's screaming no PG right now. So I'm just being honest. To get no PG credit cards, working capital, lines of credit, autos, you're going to need 10 trade lines reporting to business experience. So man, go ahead and let you guys know, 44 Shark with Shark Funded. I'm out.